I'm still having problems with the squirrel. It'll jump from this tree and land on top of this. I'm going to remove a couple of these branches. So I built this little pyramid thing. So the concept here is now if a squirrel jumps down, it doesn't have something flat to land on, so it'll ricochet off. But I might have to move this thing because there's other trees. If it wanted to, it could like dive bomb from these farther trees. And so far, this has worked. The bird feeder squirrel deflector. Let's remove all of these weeds, kind of let it get out of control. Well, that was pretty easy. It essentially just peeled off. Going to remove the fig clone I started a couple months ago. It has developed a very nice root ball. I'll bring this inside over the winter, keep it in a window, and this will be ready to transplant. Next spring, I'll have a whole new fig plant. Really building up the freezer stash. September 3rd, starting lettuce seeds for the fall. I put them in a drawer. It is 3 days later.